What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm at a creek right now near my home. I just got done creating a path along this creek because honestly, like, it doesn't look like anybody fishes this creek, at least not this part of it, but this area had no path. I think it's gonna be worth it because I already see fish, so I'm excited. I'm just gonna test it out today because I only have about an hour left of sunlight. I'm gonna use a robo worm just to see if I get a bite or not. I'm not expecting anything today. We only have 1 hour, so let's do this. Dude, I literally got a fish first cast. What the Look at this big ass bass. What the Oh my god. What the dude? Yo. This spot is legit. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Okay, goodbye, buddy. Bruh. He took my robo worm. Yo. What the Yo, that was crazy. I literally was not expecting a bass that big to get bit so quick. It might have been the only one in that spot because I'm not getting any more bites, but I could be wrong. There could be more in there, but I just don't really have too much time right now. So I'm gonna fish the other parts of this creek before the sun goes down. But yeah, look at this path that I made, bro. Like, I'm being serious. I had to use a machete to get through all of this. Anybody else that finds this spot, you're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, this took me so freaking long, dude. Like, seriously, probably took me like 2 hours or something, maybe 2 or 3 hours. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Yeah, look at all this. I cleared all this. Oh my god, that looks like a good one. I'm gonna fish right here. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna get bit so fast. There's too many freaking fish in here. It's a, I think it's, I don't know, I don't even know what this is. This looks like a bluegill and a green sunfish. That's weird. Sweet. Yo, this creek is legit. What the heck, bro? I like gradually brought my robo worm in and like accidentally hit the fish in the face a little bit, and like it didn't even take it. So I think it was a carp, because carp do that a lot. Yeah, dude. I got one on the freaking crankbait, bro. Dude. Oh, I should probably get that thing out before I stick my hand in its mouth. He's gonna freaking get me with one of those hooks. Okay, hold on, buddy. Actually, yeah, I think I do have to go. Oh, right here. amazing. Bro, there's good sized bass in here. That big one that I got in the beginning, holy. Oh, dude, I want to freaking fish longer, but it's getting dark, bro. I gotta go. All right, I'm just gonna go, bro. I'm gonna walk back. Oh my God. I really hope that a bunch of people don't just like start fishing here and taking home all the fish, bro, because like the only reason why these creeks are fun is because there's still fish in them, and like when like people just take them home, then there's like not really any left to catch and release. And trust me, I'm all for catching and eating fish, but when it's like a small creek, there's no point, bro. There's already not many there to begin with. Did you see all this shrubs and trees that I cleared out? Jesus. You guys are so welcome. So that's the end of like where I was hacking at everything with my machete. It's kind of good to leave a little bit of bushes and shrubs in the way in the beginning, so people don't even notice. So they don't even notice the path to it. Because like just by looking at it, it still looks pretty overgrown, and like it'll kind of stop most people from checking out that spot at least. I'm gonna turn off my camera so nobody knows where this is.